Hello, Italy, Portugal, and Spain. My name is Chris McChesney. I'm one of the authors of the 4 Disciplines of Execution, and I will be hosting a webcast on focus and execution in times of uncertainty. And I want you to know that you've really been in our family's prayers and our thoughts with everything that's been going on. I have a daughter that spent over a year in Barcelona and another daughter that spent over a year in Lisbon. And so we've been very dialed in to everything that's been happening in your part of the world. This is an extraordinary time, and it's a critical time for leaders. We've learned a lot, and we're continuing to learn a lot around what does it take to execute and to create focus at a time when it is so incredibly difficult to get. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.